Hello, in today's video we shall discuss the installation of TensorFlow CPU on a Windows operating system. Open idle and go to File, click on Open. Now double click on Scripts and at the top right click on Scripts and select Copy Address as Text. Now open command prompt on your computer and then type cd followed by the path that you have copied before and paste it. Now type pip install TensorFlow. Now this will install the CPU version of TensorFlow. We shall discuss the installation of the GPU version in another video. Now this might take some time, might probably take closer to a minute, but once the installation is complete, you will get a successfully installed message. Now the successfully installed message seems to have come, and now to test whether TensorFlow has been installed successfully, go to the shell and type import TensorFlow as TF. If there are no errors, then that means TensorFlow has been successfully installed.